Diabetes, commonly known as problem of sugar, has become a major problem these days. Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha. I welcome you at Bharat Yoga English, and today we are going to talk about diet for diabetes. It is really sad to see a country of yoga, a country of spirituality, a country of Ayurveda becoming capital of diabetes. And reason is very simple, that we talk about health, yoga, Ayurveda, but rarely we are making it a part of our lives. And to make it a part of your life, it's very important that you learn these science, whether it is the science of Ayurveda or science of yoga, step by step from a good institute or from a master, a guru. Well, today we are going to talk about diet, as diet plays one of the most important role in diabetes. Now let's understand few very basic things. When we talk about diet, there are shad-ras in our diet. When I say shad-ras, it means 6 different tastes. What are these 6 different tastes? Khatta, meetha, chatpata, charpara, kadwa, kasela. So khatta meetha means sour and sweet. Chatpata, charpara, chatpata is tart and charpara is spicy. Kadwa is bitter and kasela is commonly translated as astringent. So these are 6 different tastes. But what happens in our day-to-day life? We take sour and sweet. We also take tart and spicy a bit, but we rarely take bitter and astringent. Reason? Because most of our dishes, most of the food that we eat is because of our taste rather than health. So first very important thing is that all the patients who are suffering from diabetes, they need to take care of their diet and they must add bitter, kadwa and kasela, bitter and astringent taste in their day-to-day food. So what are the options that we can include in our diet if we want to bid a farewell to the problem of diabetes or increased sugar level? Let's understand. First thing is, you must add citrus fruits in your diet. It's very important that in your day-to-day diet, there should be some citrus fruits like orange, like lemon, or any other citrus fruit which is regional and which is locally available near you. Second is salads. You must add salads in your day-to-day diet. Any vegetable that can be eaten raw. So it can be cucumber, it can be tomatoes, it can be lettuce, it can be bell peppers, it can be any other vegetable in form of salad. Third is add yogurt in your day-to-day diet. So it can be taken in form of yogurt or curd or also charge. Now charge is buttermilk, so you can add buttermilk in your diet, but make sure that you take buttermilk or yogurt in breakfast or lunch and avoid taking it in dinner, which can have some adverse effects as concerned to your cough or cold tendencies of your body. So better take it during lunch or during breakfast. Adding nuts to your everyday diet is a wonderful way to control your sugar levels and to get ample amount of required energy for your body. So make sure that you add nuts to your day-to-day diet, and it's always better to take soaked nuts. So soak almonds, soak walnut one night before and then eat it next morning. You must add green vegetables in your everyday diet rather than going for a carb-rich diet or artificial sweeteners. Of course, if you are diabetic, I'm sure you must have stopped eating artificial sweeteners, but also adding green vegetables can help you a lot, especially when we talk about green vegetables. Best is to have karela, the bitter gourd, or Lauki, the bottle gourd. These are some amazing vegetables which can be taken by the patients of diabetes. Broccoli is a wonderful way to control your sugar levels, so make sure that you add broccoli in your everyday diet, which is really good for the patients of diabetes. And most important is you must add seeds in your day-to-day diet. Now, if you look at the Indian food, seeds had always been a very, very important part of our day-to-day food, day-to-day diet, but somehow we have switched to burgers and pizzas and so much of junk food. So make sure that you add seeds. And I have already shared a complete video on magaj. What are these 5 magaj, 5 magaj? What are these 5 kinds of sweets that we must add in our day-to-day diet? I will be sharing the link in the description box. So you must add seeds in your everyday diet. One very important thing, if you can do it, it's a wonderful, wonderful way to control your sugar levels. Begin your day with turmeric water. So how to prepare this turmeric water? Just take 1 glass of water and add pinch of turmeric haldi powder in it. And just begin your day with turmeric water. It is a wonderful way to control your sugar levels. Low-fat dairy and beans are also wonderful food items to be added in your day-to-day diet. And also, if you can do one thing which you might find a little tough, but it's not tough at all. So take 2 neem leaves in the morning, just sterilize them and eat them. If you can do this, it will be the best thing for to control your sugar levels. And if you cannot eat neem leaves, then take a neem datun and just chew it. The water that is left in your mouth, just take it inside. And also you can clean your teeth with this. So 1 neem stick and more than 2 benefits. So these are some very, very simple ways to control your sugar levels. And also you must practice yoga abhyas every day, which is very, very important. And I have already shared a video on how diabetic people, what yogic practices diabetic people can do. We'll be sharing the link at the description box. And also you can join online classes of Bharat Yoga. We have different therapy classes, weight loss program, then courses like foundation course, instructor course, teacher training course. So you can add, you can join for these courses as well and for therapy classes as well. Number will be flashed here. You can just drop a WhatsApp at this message and this number. You can drop a WhatsApp message and you can find out the details of our courses from there. That's all for today. If you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send it to us. Lots of love, light and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.